Hey everyone, Matt here at Total Package Detailing, taking a look at this brand new Lexus RX350H. This of course got our most popular package, the ceramic pinnacle package. As you can see, this looks crazy good. I mean, there is not a single car out there on the road today that looks as good as this. This looks like a shinier than shiny piece of hard rock candy. If you've ever pulled a red Jolly Rancher out and kind of looked at it outside of the wrapper, it's got that hard candy look. This looks glossier than that. I mean, just look at that. And of course, we're actually taking the time to show you under the lights too. The light that I have on there right now, that's actually a scan grip light. This way you can truly see what our prep work actually did. Look at all the edges of the panels and everything there. Just absolutely looks beautiful. And then when we put the coatings on, the coating that we're putting on is not an easy to install coating. You know, the ease of a coating does actually affect how durable the coating really is. If a coating is really easy to install, that means that the durability is not as good long term. This coating is way more difficult to install. We have to install it in smaller sections. We also control humidity and the air temperature in here, and we also filter the air as well. And so that's how we're getting some extremely good results. Just look at this thing. We also have taken the time to machine polish the glass in the ceramic pinnacle package. We also put coatings on the glass as well. We also did the wheels. We also did the black trim. We also have a ceramic tire coating on the tires. We've also ceramic coated the wiper arms, the cowl area, the headlights. Look at the grille. Look at the detail on this. Look how much shinier that Lexus symbol looks and inside those little inserts look than on a lot of brand new vehicles in this category. Absolutely stellar. So of course, if you're looking for protection that truly stands the test of time, that outshines the rest with unrivaled performance, this is what you need right here. The ceramic pinnacle package is definitely the answer. As always, if you're looking for true ultra preservation, give us a call at 920-450-2085 or visit us online at totalpackagedetailing.com.